Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the correct paper width and weight because the crimper responds to thickness. Start with 1/8, 1/4 strips and test on scrap. Insert the strips straight between the rollers and squeeze with steady pressure. This creates uniform ridges. Once done, check the ripple spacing and adjust tension or teeth depth if ridges are too flat or torn. Make sure to leave a small free tail for later rolling. This prevents slippage and gives you control. You now form the textured elements. Wrap crimped strips around your quilling tool to create tight or loose coils depending on diameter. Vary the feed angle between 0 and 45 degrees to alter ridge alignment and produce different visual textures. Once you achieve the coil, allow it to relax slightly before gluing to control final diameter. Make sure to alternate light and firmer passes with the crimper when layering. This builds dimension without overstressing. You complete the piece by sealing each coil end with a small dab of PVA and pressing briefly so it bonds without soaking the paper. Once secure, position elements on your background and adhere with precise tack points, trimming any excess tails for a clean silhouette. If seams look uneven, reshape gently with fingers before glue sets. Troubleshooting. If strips tear or shred, reduce crimper pressure or test roll a scrap to fine-tune settings. This protects your final work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.